Donkey Kong Country 2. Great game, by the way, still holds up. It looks really great in the screen. I tried to play this game on the Switch a while ago with that Super Nintendo pass. It looks terrible. The pixels are all blown out. Of course, you can't add any shaders or filters, as far as I know, on the Switch. Really sucks. So anyway, the MP was a superior way to go. But that's besides the point. The point is that I put the game in sleep, and when I picked it up a few hours later to keep playing, it wouldn't turn on. I mean, it was on, but the screen was completely black, and I did a hard reset, did a soft reset, took the memory card out. No matter what I did, same exact situation. So I pretty much thought that it was over. I collected so much bad karma from pirating games that it finally came back to me and took the life of my device. But if you get the black screen of death, it's not dead. It's just in this permanent sleep loop. And someone over on Reddit, bless their heart, just says that you need to do a very hard reset and take the battery out of the device and then plug it back in. So don't be scared of this. Very simple, very easy. Only took a few minutes. The only issue is you need a special screw. I have this iFixit kit and I've used it on a couple other projects. So definitely get one of these if you're into fixing things. But it really came in handy. I think this is called like a Torx screw or a pentalobe screw. I don't know which one it is. I just use it. But yeah, 4 screws in the back, super easy to get into, and just unplug that cable and then plug it back in, and you're good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. And for all you people out there who are into electronics, can you tell me why this happens? Is this like a CMOS BIOS thing, or is this something with the DRAM needs to be reset? What exactly needs to be reset when this happens? Let me know your thoughts. See you later.